In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use links and images on our blog. Let's try something different this time. Let's use a widget instead of a blog post. Go to the Appearance section and click on Widgets. Once you are here, if you remember, you can use the HTML in the widget by using this, the text widget. Simply click on it and add the widget to the sidebar. Now the widget has been added, let's type in the code that we want. Okay, now we have a problem. We don't know the location of the image file that we want, and even then, we do not have an image that we want now. Let me show you an example right now. For example, if we want to use this picture here from our blog post, we can right click it and copy the image URL. By doing so, we have the location of the image of the beach houses that you see just now. Paste it here and click Save. Now, if you refresh the web page, you should see the widget appearing with the beach house image at the bottom. Now, you might be thinking, what if you want a different picture that is not previously uploaded on the website? If we go back, if you want a different picture that is not uploaded on the website, you have to upload it first. Now for WordPress, you can go to New, Media, or simply use the button here. Then from here, you can select File from your desktop and upload it online. Let's say my profile picture. Okay, now let's say the skeleton. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded the picture. Now click on Edit, and you can get the location of the picture right here. So just copy it and go back to the widget. Enter the widget text, paste in the new URL here, and click Save. If you refresh the website, you should see the new picture appearing. This is the picture we have just uploaded. Now let's play with some attributes of the picture. Let's give it a height and a width. Now if you refresh again, you can see that the size of the picture has changed. Okay, let me show you something else. What if we make it into a square? Let's refresh. It's still a rectangle. So what is happening here? In most cases, if you meet with something strange like this, usually you can right click on the picture and inspect element. Now you can see the width and the height is 50 and 50 here. However, the picture is actually showing it to be 50 times 25 pixels. Now, the most likely culprit will be the CSS, which we will learn later, which is the design of the website. This is what we have written for the attribute style. Now for this particular image in this WordPress theme, we have this. This is overriding our code here. That is why the image will not stretch. So for example, if I uncheck this, you can see that the image has become a square here. Now for this particular CSS style, it helps to prevent the image from overflowing the widget box when it is too big. So whenever you encounter difficulties along the way, remember that you can inspect them and investigate what is happening. I know that you have not learned CSS yet, so it will be pretty hard to figure it out now. But once you learn CSS, you should be able to do this investigation yourself and find out the root cause of the issue. As different websites have different CSS and styling affecting each other, investigation is the best way to go. Alright, now let's try to have some links. Oh no! What is wrong here? If some of you have already noticed, I forgot to enter the HTTP. Now, in order to go to a new domain, a new website address, you need this HTTP to link. If not, you will end up in something like this in your domain. Now, if I try this new link, I go back and refresh. I should see that it's now working as we wanted. Okay, now let's try opening a new tab with this link. Go back again and refresh. Click on it. And again, it is working as how we want it to be. By using a target underscore blank, it has opened a new tab here. Now, let's try the one where we can do the email thing. Do I hit save? Oh no, maybe I'll change the name. Let's hit save. And then refresh the website again. If I click now, you can see that it has opened up my composer and try to create a new message to this particular email. So this is also working. I will not be trying the phone one as I'm using a laptop now, but it should be working as well. Maybe you can try the last one, which is scrolling of the browser to the particular element with the ID. Now inspect element and let's try to find an ID to scroll to. I think masthead is a good choice as it's on top, separate from the rest. So if I copy this name, I go back and change this to hashtag and paste. So I'll change the text here and click save. Now if I refresh and I go down to the link, I will actually go back up. Now let's try. As you can see, the browser has bring me to the places where the masthead is, where the ID is. So this is also working as it should be. Okay, now let's try something else. Let's try using the picture as a link. Once again, refresh the website. So if we click this picture now, it should take us to google.com. In this video, I think we have learned all the essential tools and knowledge about images and links that we need to start making websites. Thank you and see you in the next video.